Okay guys, so I'm testing a new camera setup with image stabilization. There'll probably be a bit of talking in there, but you guys can, but it's just a test video. You guys can enjoy the sound of the Mercedes-Benz CLS53 AMG. You guys will probably hear there was no starter motor. That's because between the gearbox and the engine there's an electric motor, and that will crank the motor in order for it to start. So yeah, put the exhaust valves on. On. So image stabilization is on. It should be making a difference. Put this thing into my individual setting. Shush. We just agree Mercedes-Benz makes some of the best sounding cars in the business. This is the new straight 6.3 litre motor, which flop. I don't like the way this headband is bouncing on my head. It's not quiet. You know what, guys, now I am, yes, Mercedes and I. Okay, so I'm gonna try readjusting the headband just to make the camera a little more stable, because it's bouncing up and down, which I really don't like. So let's see if I can stabilize it out quickly. Where's the emergencies here? Okay guys, I readjusted the camera. I'm hoping now that this angle is going to be a little bit better. Let's put the car back into the individual setting and see what's what. Holy mo... think the camera is not bouncing around as much now. This new camera has optical image stabilization, so that means that wherever I look, this image should be nice and still. It shouldn't be as awfully shaky as it was before. So that's right. And the sound is in stereo now as well, so you should have a better sound. Oh, it's not assert, like Max Tuning would say. Speed clap between gears. Put this sunroof, maybe to let some more sound in. Why do all the guys who drive 135s and stuff all look the same? They all have that same haircut, and they're all from Krombom. Mercedes can make something sound this freaking cool. There's a bit of N55 sound coming through the exhaust, I will admit. That's not a problem, it is a straight 6 after all. I think Mercedes made a killer. And as usual with Mercedes-Benz engines, strength quality, you know, with the M156, M113s, Mercedes know a thing or two when it comes to building an engine. This motor's got no drive belt, no dry belt, so no fan belt, no nothing like that. All mass away from the engine, so all your pumps and stuff like that is all electric. Maybe it'll do a gear down here under the tunnel, let's see. Just put it back into eco. Oh no, it's not gonna switch off. see, bruh. Where do you owns want to be? Anyway, guys, here's a nice video for you and some nice sounds. I hope you enjoyed the video.